Hey guys, welcome to this video. So today I just got a really large Toreba package, and if you don't know what Toreba is, it is this Japanese app where you could play the game through the app and it will move an actual claw machine in Japan. So basically I won a lot of stuff and they'll ship out the prize to you, so that's super cool, and I won a lot of stuff and I'm really excited to show you guys. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is the box right here. Like I said, it's pretty giant. So let's just open that up and show you guys what's in it. I'm trying to, sorry if I'm talking fast, I'm trying like not to make this video like 20 minutes long. So the first thing I see in here is this Gudetama plushie. So yeah, that's super cute. I'm not gonna take anything out of the packaging because I plan to sell some of this stuff on my Mercari. So also, if you want to buy some of this stuff, it might be on my Mercari, so if you want to check that out, I'll have the link in the description to my profile. So yeah, I have this large Gudetama. I actually already have one of these, but this one was a really easy win, so I had to get it. So yeah. So next up are these 3 Shirotans. This machine was super easy for the very first like 3 tries. I won most of these in 1 to 2 tries. But then they actually changed the machine and like they made it harder, so like the claw's weaker and they added an extra bar, so I was like really lucky to get these. So I got 2 pink ones and 1 blue one. I'm not sure if I want to keep one of them because they're super cute and it's like, so cute. But yeah, these are my little Shiro-chans and I love them so much. Alright, so next up is this round Karilakuma plushie. I think it's really soft and I think it looks really fluffy inside, and I don't know, I'm really conflicted because I really love Karilakuma and I don't know, I like to sell them so I make a little bit of profit because I usually win these in like a few tries, but it's just so soft and I really like it and I might keep this one, I don't know. But if you do find out my Mercari, you know I wasn't tempted enough, but yeah. Speaking of Karilakuma, I also got these 2 round ones. Round Karilakumas are just a thing here in this box apparently. But yeah, they both have pink sleeping caps on. So yeah, these are pretty cute and I have 2 of them, so I'll probably have at least 1 of them in my Mercari, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so next up is this Petite Rascal plushie. I think this is super cute. This one took me quite a few tries. Like, I'm kind of ashamed about how many tries that took. But this is the Petite Rascal plushie. I actually thought it would be a little bigger, but I think it's still super cute and I think it was a really fun to win. So yeah. Alright, so next one is this little fluffy bunny. Oh, okay, bright light. Focus. Focus. It's a little fluffy bunny. It's called Popo-chan. Apparently that's what the machine said. Oh, you can see the bunny from here. But yeah, really cute. I actually won this in 1 try, so that was really exciting. And just kind of poke it down. If you haven't seen my Toreba win compilation video, definitely check that out. And you can pretty much see me win actually, I think all of these items. So yeah, check that out. And if you want to see how I won these, so yeah. Alright, so next up is this Hatsune Miku plushie. Oh my gosh. She's so cute, and I don't know if I want to sell her either. I really love Hatsune Miku, and she's cute. And I really love how her hair is like really soft and stuffed. So this was an exciting win. Alright, so this is the last of the plushies, and my focusing is kind of weird, but anyway. Alright, so this is the last of the plushies. This is a little hamster and an apple. He's super cute. So yeah, it's about this big. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how I'm going to show you these, but I got 3 Disney Princess pocket watches. So I think I'm going to actually open one of these and show you, but, oh, I dropped it. Alright, so opening this up. Ooh, I won one of these pocket watches and then I had to get like literally all 3. I'm not sure which one this is. This is for purple. Which Disney princess is purple again? Yikes. Oh, Rapunzel, yeah. Okay, so this is the little pocket watch. It's actually really, really pretty, and I might keep one. I mean, the plan was to sell all of them maybe as a set or something like that. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I might keep that one. Oh yeah, and it's actually already ticking, so it has batteries in it, so that's pretty cool. And I'm not sure if that's gonna focus at all, but let's try. It's trying its best. But I don't know, I really like this, and I don't know. I don't even know if I want to sell it. Maybe I might keep this one and sell the other ones. The other ones I think are Belle and Jasmine, I think, maybe. But yeah, I don't know. Rapunzel's one of my favorite Disney princesses too, so maybe it would be cool to keep this one. Alright, so the last thing in this box is literally my favorite. This Todoroki. Oh my gosh, Todoroki is like my favorite character in My Hero Academia, and it's just so crazy that I won this because I was really thinking I would never win this action figurine. I never thought I would win this figurine because I thought all of the machines were just super hard to win. But I don't know. I'm really excited that I won this though, and I will show you guys what it looks like assembled and stuff, because I'm actually keeping this one because I can't part with Todoroki. That's just how it is. Okay guys, so I have been trying to put this together for about 10 minutes, and it's really, I'm kind of struggling here. It's just like it won't fit into his butt, and well, it does fit into his butt, but what?
Yeah, dude, the middleman keeps on coming around and I have to sign for everything.
And it's not going in his butt, and I'm kind of struggling here, but this is what it is supposed to look like. I will probably figure out how to actually get him to stand on his stand sooner or later, but this is what Todoroki looks like, and he's still super cool, and I love the detail. Look at that. I love Todoroki. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so that was my last of my Toreba haul. It's a pretty big one, and it got that like giant box, which was like super crazy. But yeah, I will be keeping some of this stuff, selling some of them, and yeah, I don't know, I might be giving some as gifts or something. And also, I keep on looking down because I have the pile of stuffed toys just like at my feet. Actually, let me show you. It's just like, I don't know, that's kind of crazy. But yeah, okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you want to see more Toreba hauls or unboxings or Toreba win compilations, comment down below and tell me what was your favorite part of this haul. And I don't know, yeah, that's it. That's all my self-plug. I don't know, shop my Mercari if you get the chance, or if you want something. That's pretty cool. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!